So it was a pretty rainy morning. We did a 30-minute drive up to Kinugawa, and we're about to have a little breakfast, see what it's like.
May I have one egg here?
Ah, tamago.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Ah.
We just finished breakfast and we kind of took a walk toward the river. The view here is incredible. Look at the misty mountains. Hiram's having a field day taking photos. So this is what we're talking about, the views of the river. So the rain's starting to come down, but we're gonna keep walking anyway. We want to see the view from that other bridge. Okay, that was a pretty cool viewpoint. On to the next bridge.
Okay, here we are in the Kinugawa River. It's 177 km in length. It's an ancient river that is known for causing floods along its banks.
So this bridge has a little footbath in it. PJ and Hiram are checking it out. Alright, now we're all in here and we're soaking our feet in the warm water. We feel so good on this cold day. Nice. Got it. Alright, time to get back on the road. Pretty cool. They pump your gas here in Japan. Alright, back in Tokyo. Alright. This is home for the next week.
Wi-Fi ID. This room. Wi-Fi. Okay.
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 Oh, okay.
Okay.
That's it? Okay. Okay.
Okay, we made it to Tokyo.
Yeah, this is awesome. Our Airbnb host is really great. We got a great room and we're ready to party. Let's do it. Yo, the streets here are tight. See? We gotta return this rental car and we had to pump some gas. So Hiram's out there pumping some gas. We're gonna return this car. Then it's time for dinner.
That's right.
Hiram, was it stressful driving through Tokyo?
Hell yeah, it was.
Like, you don't know where to go.
And the GPS doesn't work.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Alright, so we made it to a train station. Yo,
Yeah.
Yo, what happened here?
Yeah, one thing I wasn't expecting was all the mosquitoes in Tokyo.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna do a bicep comparison right now.
Bicep comparison. First exhibit A. Okay, who's next? Exhibit B. Exhibit C. Alright, who's the real winner here? Alright, here we are in Shibuya.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. Alright, first taste of Shibuya. This is the proverbial crossing that everybody goes on and goes in all directions. So many people, it's crazy. at this restaurant called By the Sea, and Hiram and I actually ate here 10 years ago, so it's gonna be a really nostalgic trip for us. They have the best fish here. Amberjack?
All right, we're on the 4th dish of 10. We've had amazing experiences so far. This is a fish dish, and we had some previous like gazpacho. So what we're seeing here is a cuisine that is a fusion between Western and I would say Japanese approach. All right, so we have here some crab. You can see it's like it's using the shell. It's an amazing dip. And here we have the specialty of the house, tuna.
So that specialty of the house was actually tuna jaw. Super good. PJ, what's that?
It's raw beef.
Raw beef. All right, raw beef down the hatch.
Ah, you burned my fingers.
Sakura ice cream, cherry blossom scent, baby. Down the hatch. All right, dinner was amazing. Off to Shinjuku. All right, we're here in Shinjuku, just walking around, looking for some shady shit. But I don't know, it's a little touristy here. Everyone's trying to hustle you. So we're just gonna chill, we're walking around. I think we're gonna wrap up the night with a beer. Cool little spot.
Very cool. Turn it around and check it out.